Hello everyone, so here is a tutorial to master email search, domain search and email verification. We will start with email search. So first you need to create a sheet in your Google Drive, for example. This sheet will be your data source. So here, Google Sheet. Let's call it test 1. So you need to put first name, last name, and the company. So now head over to Zapier and click New Zap in the Zap section. So here, create New Zap. So here on trigger, we choose Google Sheet. For the event, let's choose new or updated spreadsheet row. So here you need to connect your Google Drive account. So here I got mine, but you need to choose yours here and to connect your Google Drive accounts. So okay, test 1, worksheet here, and any column, so you can. So now you need to test your trigger. So here you can type, for example, Sergey Brin with Google. Oh, let's refresh. Oh. So here I clicked on test trigger. So here you can find Sergey Brin Google. So just continue with the selected record. And then we add the Icypeas node here. For the event, so email search. So here you need to connect your accounts. So to connect your Icypeas account here, let's connect a new account. You need your API key. So to retrieve your key, you can just click here or go on the Icypeas site. You just click over here on your profile, and on the API section, and your API key is just right here. So you just copy and just paste it over here. You're now connected with Icypeas, so you can click on continue. Here for the first name, you can just type Sergey Brin, but we just created a sheet, so here we can just select first name here. Last name, Brin, and domain or company, you can choose here, company Google. Continue. You test your step. So here, if the email search is successful, you can see true over here. And you just have your search ID over here, which you need to copy over here. You need to copy, or we will just select it. So here to retrieve the result, because over here we don't have the email, we need to retrieve the result. So just add a step, select Icypeas again over here, and for the event you select get single results. Over here, continue. So for the action, in order to get your results, you need your user ID. So to retrieve your user ID, you need to go again on your Icypeas profile. And your user ID is just over here. You can just copy and paste it. For the search ID here, it's the search ID corresponding to the image search just down. So over here. So you can just copy here and paste it, or you can click over here on image search and click on ID. For search mode, you just select single, continue, and you can test your step. So over here, you get your results with the email sergey.brin@google.com. So we just found your first email with the email search. So now we will do a domain search. You just click on new Zap. So let's create a new Zap for this. We'll also create a new sheet. So here, new sheet. For example, domain search. Here, domain, for example, icypeas.com. And so over here, this will be quite the same. So we just select your trigger on Google Sheets. Google Sheets here. Choose an event, new or updated spreadsheet row. Continue. So here I have my spreadsheet domain search. Here, any column, test trigger. And over here, I got corresponding column. So let's select it. So now you just put the Icypeas module. For the event, you choose domain search. So which we create the domain or company name you want to search. So here I just put the domain, but you can just put Icypeas, for example. But you got better results with domain names instead of just company names. So here, domain search, continue. My account, so I choose my account here. Continue. So here, if you create the domain or company, so just put here domain, or you can just type it. And test step. So here we got success, true, and the corresponding ID search. So let's create a new Icypeas module. Choose an event. Here again, get single results. Continue. The user ID, so I just got it here. The ID. The search ID, so just here. And search mode, also single. Now you can test your step. And we got over here the corresponding email of the domain. Now, finally, we do a workflow with email verification. So we get to automate email verification. So here, let's create a new Zap and a new sheet. Email verification. Up here, the email. For the email, you can choose anything, like for example, sergey.brin@ google.com. And so let's go back to Zapier. Here you trigger Google Sheets. You already did spreadsheet row. Okay. Email verification. Test step. It's okay. So now let's create an Icypeas module with here the email verification. So this requires the email you want to verify. So here choose an account, select your account, continue, email. So for the email here, you just select the right email, continue. So here we can test our step. True, so it's okay, everything's okay. So now we can just add a module to get the results here. So here on the email verification, you get true if the verification occurs on your account, but it does not mean that the email is correct. To see if your email is correct, you also need to get the result over here. To select get single results. Here, continue on your account. So you just put your user ID, the search ID over here. Here, single, test step. And so now we can see that the email is ultra sure. Here you have the certainty of the email. And if the email is incorrect, you won't have this. So we can check over here. I put anything. Yep, I refresh over here. So I need to retest my step here. So maybe a refresh. Find your records. Okay, over here. So if I put a wrong email, continue. So here I got my new ID search. So I need to change it over here. And retest step. Here you see that you got no emails, so which means the email is incorrect. So you can see like that if the email is correct or not. And that's it. You've now mastered integrating Icypeas with Zapier for domain searching and email verification. So now you can experience Icypeas on your workflows and test many steps, etc. Happy automating!